the GTR, buddy of ours. Run them in a previous video. This time we're only running like 9 pounds of boost. So, I don't know, might be a little better for him. We'll see. Pounds of boost, we had enough. Just barely enough. I think most of that we might have got on the tree, to be honest. But it was a great door-to-door race. Boosted F-150 on 9 pounds. GTR, I mean, he is still modded. He's not stock. I think that he stopped. I mean, he's got a 93 tune. I mean, it's just tuning exhaust, but it's a turbo car with a tune exhaust. 11.3. Yeah, I got it on the tree. Now, let's see what she weighs in at. We are at 49.70. 49.70 right now. So 11.3 at 125. You gotta love how we picked up 10 mile per hour. Almost going from 93 to 85, primarily because of the heat and the cooling, the heat that it is outside, the cooling aspects of the E. So there's no timing really being pulled, as opposed to the 93 where the timing's being pulled and everything. So yeah. Dang, that was a piss poor 60 foot. What the hell was that about? But we'll stick with the same. That launch was lackluster, to say it best. But yeah, so we're running the GTR again because, I mean, that was such a good race. Got me that time. Still a great door-to-door, but I came out on the losing end of it this time. I can run them down topside, but I don't know why I left so weird. Let's see what this 60 foot was. I think I got too much tire for not enough pulley right now. 9-10 pounds doesn't seem to be enough to really use these tires. Almost feels like it bogs down on the launch. Okay. Not bad. 1.7 60 foot. 11.1, 125. Alright, so the first half fixed a little for what I expected it to be. So 1.70 60 foot. He ran 11.1 as well. So again, it was door to door. It was 11.1, 11.1. We left together. He got the initial jump, and as I was running down, ran out of track. Okay, so this is the tiebreaker between me and the GTR for the day. But at the same time, this is tailgate down test. So we ran with the tailgate up, now we're running with it down. Let's see what the myth holds. Good race though. Got another good one. I know I took that one straight on the tree though. Can't be playing around when it's close races. You gotta just. Sometimes I'll sleep a little when I know I'm in a faster vehicle. Right now, current setup on low boost, we're pretty even vehicle, so gotta drive the hell out of it. Thank you. 11.2. Tailgate down, slowed me down. Mile per hour, half a mile slower. ET, a little slower. Mythbusters. Tailgate down, not the thing. Tailgate down, not the thing. Yeah, 8 was mile per hour throughout. It was a little slightly slower. I guess I'll do one more tailgate down. Nah, it felt pretty solid. It launched. It did what she needed to do. That's it, to be honest. Because heck, that was what best 60 foot the way I left. So she's really not going to get any better. Well, hope you guys enjoyed those races. They were very competitive, very evenly matched. On low boost on a hot day, that's pretty much where this truck is running. If it was a little cooler day, the same setup, it'd be deeper into the 10s, probably like a 1070, 1080 it's been. So heat can't compress air. I mean, excuse me, can't compress water. So needless to say, because he dealt with the same issues that I dealt with, and he put up a good showing. So 3 back-to-back door-to-door races, and there we go. I mean, the tickets show everything. I mean, the mile an hour is pretty equal, the ETs were pretty even, and the race itself shows how even we were. I mean, reaction times were pretty similar for the first 2 races. Third race I kind of took off on him a little bit there, because well, I was getting tired of this being that close. It gets a little scary there, you know, like I need to get my win. I want my win. But nah, either way, it was pretty fun. He's definitely got that car a lot more consistent since the first time we raced, so I enjoyed myself. That's what we raced for. But until next time, Boosted F-150 out.